Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I have a small doubt.
Okay.
We are learning Python, right?
Yeah.
I'll ask one question first of all.
Okay.
Whatever we have learned till now,
Hmm.
so on that, I'm going to ask some questions. Okay. First,
Okay.
what is Python?
Python is a programming language.
Okay. What is the use of programming language?
To interact with computers.
Okay, to interact with computers. That's fine. How we can interact with computer?
With the software.
No.
No. Okay. Any other answers?
By giving instructions to.
Yes. If you learn Python, we can write instructions in Python language. Okay? And we can give those instructions to the computer. Understand?
Yeah.
So by giving instructions, we can interact with the computer. If I give one instruction, computer takes that instruction,
Yeah.
right? And process that instruction and gives us
Output.
output. That's it. So whatever the instruction I'm giving to the computer, it is just like an input, right?
Yeah.
That instruction will be processed by whom?
By computer.
Computer process it. Okay, process it. And after that, it will gives us
Output.
output, right? That's good. If you write collection of instructions, what it is called as? Collection of instructions.
Program.
Program, right? Okay, Pranu, no, you tell me. Collection of programs,
A software.
a software. Understand?
Yeah.
So, if you learn Python, we can write instructions in Python language and we can give those instructions to the computer. అండర్స్టాండ్ సో పైథన్ కనుక మనం నేర్చుకుంటే పైథన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ రాస్తాం ఆ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ని కంప్యూటర్కి ఇస్తాం ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇలా రాశాను అనుకుందాం ప్రణూత్న గెట్ ఎ గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ తెలుగులో ప్రణూత్న గ్లాస్తో వాటర్ తీసుకొస్తావా దాహం వేస్తుంది అన్నాను ఇప్పుడు ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో రాసినట్టు ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో అడిగినట్టు మిమ్మల్ని
తెలుగు.
తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్లో మిమ్మల్ని అడిగా అలాగే కంప్యూటర్ని నేను పైథన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో అడుగుతా పైథన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో కంప్యూటర్కి అడుగుతా సో ఐ లాస్క్ కంప్యూటర్ ఇన్ పైథన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఎలా ప్రింట్ 10 + 20 దట్స్ అన్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్
Okay.
వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ప్రింట్
Print 10 + 20.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ యాక్చువల్లీ వీ రైట్ ఇన్ పైథన్లో రాసే ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అది
Okay.
ఏంటది చెప్పండి ఒకసారి
Print 10 + 20.
ఎవరికి ఇస్తున్నావు ఈ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ని కంప్యూటర్ కదా
Computer.
కంప్యూటర్ మనకి ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ ఏమి ఇస్తుంది తెలుసా
30.
30
40.
10 + 20 ఎంతమ్మా
10 + 30 ఎంత?
ఓ 10 + 30 నా నువ్వంది అయితే 40నే 10 + 20 అయితే 30 ఏదైతేనే ప్రింట్ 10 + 20 అంటే 30 అని డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది ప్రింట్ 10 + 30 అంటే 40 అని డిస్ప్లే
40
చేస్తుంది కదా అవునా కదా 10 + 20 ఎంత
30.
అదే నేను అంటున్నా 10 + 20 అన్నాను నువ్వు 10 + 30 అన్నావు అండర్స్టాండ్ గుడ్ సో దీన్ని బట్టి పైథన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో మనం గనక ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కంప్యూటర్కి ఇస్తే ఆ కంప్యూటర్ దాన్ని ప్రాసెస్ చేసి మనకి అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తుంది అంతేనా ఓ పని చెయ్యి టేక్ దిస్ మైక్ ఓకే సి ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో యూ వన్ థింగ్ నా
Yeah.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కెన్ యూ గెట్ ఇట్
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a moment. I'll show there. So this is a computer, right? Okay. So I'm going to open some software. I'm going to open some software actually. What is that? Ideally.
Ideally.
So I have opened that software. So here I have written a command.
Yeah.
What is that?
Python.
R
PRI N
T
T print.
of, I said 10, right? 10
Yeah,
plus
10 plus 20.
20 close parenthesis.
Yeah.
So this is an instruction written in Python.
Python.
Understand? Python language lo rasina instruction. If I press enter, see what you got?
30.
That's it. I have given an instruction to the computer. What is that? Print 10 plus 20. What computer is giving us?
Output
What is that?
30.
30.
Result 30. So here I have given an instruction to the computer. Computer is displaying 30. That's it.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Now you understand one thing. In Python we can write instructions. Now print of 10 plus 20 is a instruction.
Instruction.
That's it. Like that we can write many instructions.
Yeah.
Collection of instructions are called as
Program.
a program. Collection of programs are called as
Software.
software. Understand?
Yeah.
ఓకే గుడ్ పైథాన్లో పైథాన్ కనుక మనం నేర్చుకుంటే ఎలాంటి సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ చేయొచ్చు తెలుసా?
No.
లాస్ట్లో చెప్పాను గేమ్స్ చేయొచ్చు,
Yeah, games.
గేమ్స్ డెవలప్ చేయొచ్చా, బిల్డింగ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ డెవలప్ చేయొచ్చు,
Billing softwares.
వెబ్సైట్స్ డెవలప్ చేయొచ్చు.
Websites.
అండర్స్టాండ్? సో గేమ్స్ డెవలప్ చేయొచ్చు, బిల్డింగ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ డెవలప్ చేయొచ్చు,
Websites.
వెబ్సైట్స్ చేయొచ్చు. రోబోస్ గురించి విన్నారా?
Winner.
రోబో అర్థమైందా? నేను ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూట్యూబ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నా. I'm going to open YouTube.
YouTube.
See that?
Yeah.
YouTube. Understand?
Yeah.
Now here in this YouTube, I'm searching for
Daddy.
robo.
Robot.
Robot. 2.0. 2.0.
Robot.
I'm searching for something, right? Okay. Let me show you. Have you seen that?
So many.
Yeah, the famous robo I knew is Sophia, right?
Have you heard about Sophia?
Yeah.
So here
What?
she is.
What is the importance of that robot?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you the importance of robo. See that? Who is this girl? See
Sophia.
that? See that? That one. That one.
Yeah.
Sophia. The human-like robot.
What if you were an apparel
Oh my
company
God.
facing an avalanche of demand?
You're
So
getting
you
ads.
call IBM to automate your IT infrastructure. And now your e-commerce platform can handle spikes in orders. Let's create IT systems that roll up their own sleeves. IBM, let's create.
Whenever I have ice cream or
Oh
drink
no,
water,
we have to ads now.
You're getting
Wanna see ads?
is able to see the ads. Here you have. So okay.
What is
okay.
the importance of her?
So I'll tell you. That robo actually behaves like human. You have seen Robo movie, right?
Yeah.
Rajnikant. Nadari.
Better
Okay.
don't come in my way.
Better don't come in my way. Rajnikant movie. Yes, you.
Thank you for coming on the show. I'm
These are all
assuming this
actually
is-
robos actually.
What gave it away? Yeah, it looks really. It looks very. I don't know. Just it looks like a snake. Yeah. But it looks very like. It looks heavy. Is it heavy?
It's pretty light. So you're probably wondering, why build this. It can
What
get
is
to
that?
place. It's up to you.
I don't know.
It's a snake.
Let's put it
Actually.
down here.
Okay.
Robo snake.
And
See that?
See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what scares me. Hey, oh boy.
It's like massaging.
Whoa, hey, hey.
But it's actually
Slow down
like a
there,
snake.
mister.
so
Hey, watch it there. All right, hey.
Yeah.
Watch it, all right. There's a lot of pressure on this guy. It's strong. It feels strong.
yeah, we can do it a little harder if you
No,
want.
please don't do that. Really, Wow, that's fantastic. That is amazing. I love it. Please, that's enough. That's Howie. Thank you very much. And the snake bot. Thank you very, very much. Can I collect it up?
Yeah, not that.
Oh, yeah, sure. And
PETA
is a social.
The first thing we have seen is actually robot snake.
Snake.
It's a robot actually.
Yeah.
How it is behaving like a snake? How it is possible? You know that it is an electronic device, right?
Yeah.
What is that? It is just
Electron.
that robot snake is just an electronic device. That's it. But it is behaving like a snake,
Snake.
right? So how that electronic device is behaving like a snake? Because in that electronic device they have written code in Python. It might be in Python, it might be in embedded C. C language is there, right?
Yeah.
In C language also we can write such kind of codes, and Python is very famous now. So Python